Hi everyone! Buying property in Singapore? It's a big step. In the next 5 minutes, we'll quickly cover the key financial points you need to know based on the RES Course Unit 4.9. Let's dive in. How do you pay for it? You'll likely use a mix of cash, your CPF Ordinary Account, OA savings, and a loan. For HDB flats, you might get an HDB loan or a bank loan, plus potential CPF grants. For private property, it's typically cash, CPF, and a bank loan. Choosing between an HDB loan and a bank loan? HDB loan requires an HFE letter. Interest is currently pegged at 2.6%. Max loan tenure is 25 years. Down payment can often be fully covered by CPF. Bank loan offers various interest packages. Max tenure is 30 years for HDB flats. Requires a minimum 5% cash down payment. Remember, you can't switch from a bank loan back to an HDB loan later. Taking a loan, especially from a bank? Know these MAS rules. LTV, loan to value, limits your maximum loan amount based on property value. For your first loan, it's usually 75%, but lower if the loan tenure is long or extends past age 65, or for subsequent loans. MSR, mortgage servicing ratio, for HDB flats and new ECs only. Your monthly housing loan payments can't exceed 30% of your gross monthly income. TDSR, total debt servicing ratio, applies to all property loans. Your total monthly debt, including credit cards, car loans, etc., must not exceed 55% of your gross income. Seen? Using your CPF. Your CPF OA is vital. Use it for down payment, but not the minimum cash portion for bank loans. Monthly installments, stamp duty, and legal fees. Key limits apply. VL, valuation limit. The lower of the purchase price or market value. WL, withdrawal limit. Generally, 120% of the VL. Once you hit the VL with a bank loan or on a resale HDB loan, you usually need to have the basic retirement sum, BRS, set aside to use more CPF, up to the WL. Also, the property's lease must generally cover the youngest owner till age 95 to use the maximum CPF allowed. First-timer HDB buyer? Look into CPF housing grants. The Enhanced CPF Housing Grant, EHG, Family Grant, and Proximity Housing Grant can significantly help offset resale flat costs. Selling a subsidized flat to buy another? You might need to pay a resale levy. Lastly, remember the Home Protection Scheme, HPS, mandatory mortgage insurance if using CPF for HDB loan payments. Selling and buying a resale HDB simultaneously? The Enhanced Contra Facility, ECF, can help you use your sale proceeds directly for the purchase. That's a whirlwind tour of Singapore property finance. It's complex, so always check the official HDB and CPF websites for the latest details and consult professionals. Proper planning is key to smooth home ownership. Thanks for watching.